Welcome to this video. In this video, we will see a new feature of Simumatik, which is called Launcher. So if you're familiar with Simumatik, when we start Simumatik, we have to start a server and we have to start a gateway manually. But if you want to make it more easy for you, there's a new feature called Launcher, which will do this work automatically. So let's see what is the Launcher feature. So when you open Simumatik.com and when you go to the platform, you will see a screen. And now when you open this screen and when you log in, you will see a pop-up message on the bottom asking you to launch a launcher. And if you don't have this launcher, you can download and install. Like you can see there on the bottom right, you will see a launcher is not installed. So this is like a first time when you want to install a launcher. And then you can download that. And once it's downloaded, you can install it. And after installation, it will make it very easy for you to start Simumatik. So just by click of a button, you will see the launcher is being downloaded. And once it's downloaded, I'm going to install it. So the launcher will be installed. So once it's finished, I will refresh the page. Now you can see that the launcher is installed. It says launcher version 2.1.0. Now, once the launcher is installed, you just have to go to your organization or your personal account, and then you select a local workspace. So in this case, previously, it asks you, when you go for that step, it asks you to start your server. And in this case, it will automatically start your server. So when I click on local workspace, it says it's currently stopped. Would you like to start it? So I will say, okay. And now in the background, it will start the server. So you don't have to manually do that. Once your launcher is running, it will automatically do this for you. So this is how it makes it easy to start Simumatik now. So it will take a couple of seconds and now your workspace is loaded. Similarly, when you are trying to connect your Simumatik to external hardware using a gateway, so you need to start the gateway as well. So in this case, it will automatically start the gateway. So if I click on that, it says it's currently stopped. You want to start it, you can say okay. And then it will connect to the gateway. So these two steps makes it easy for you to work with Simumatik now. So you can see that now gateway is connected. So let me know, how do you like this feature? If you have any doubts or any problem in doing that, post a comment. And another thing, if I'm going to stop this workspace, so if I go here, I want to exit. And once I go to exit, it will ask you a pop-up again. Do you want to close the workspace? You can say yes. And this launcher will automatically stop your gateway and also stop your server. Okay. So this is about how Simumatik makes it easy to have a beautiful experience in working on your simulations. So if you have any doubt or comment, just let me know. And enjoy the new feature. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.